What's happening? Hello world, welcome to your 20-second SQL Server tutorial. My name is Johnny DeLuca, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a partitioning function and how to create a partitioning scheme, both using T-SQL. Before we go any further, from now on, these tutorials are going to be strictly how-tos. They aren't going to be concerned with the why anymore. I went back and I reviewed some of the tutorials and I realized that sometimes I have a habit of, explaining technical jargon for 2 to 3 to 5 minutes at a time, and it's kind of hard to watch because I realize the reason that the majority of you are coming here is because you want to see visually how. You're probably not too concerned with the why. Otherwise, you would get a book or do a Google search on why it does what it does, etc. Believe me, the why is very, very valuable, but in the interest of making these tutorials easier to digest and just all around more concise, I'm going to be abandoning the why from now on and just showing you the how. If you have questions about the why, feel free to leave them in the comments section and I will do my very best to answer them. So, to begin, I'm going to have you start by running this script that will add several file groups to your AdventureWorks 2012 database. Okay, and the script's kind of larger than anything you've seen in my tutorial so far. So what I would do is I would pause the tutorial now and, well, let me finish talking. I would copy from here, alter database, down to name equals sales 2007. Now you can pause it, do all that. Then I would come on down and pick up with name equals 2007, sales 2007, all the way to file group sales 2009. And then go ahead and execute that code and it will create several new file groups for you. So I'm going to go ahead and not execute this because I already have, and all it will do is give me an error message saying that I've already done this, something to that effect. But I'm going to go ahead and wait for you to do that, and I'll see you in a couple minutes. Okay, now that you've executed this code and you've created the file groups on the AdventureWorks 2012 database, we can get rid of this because we no longer need it. Now we're going back up to the new query editor, and we're going to paste in this code, which will create the partition function for us. So, use AdventureWorks 2012. We're creating the partition function. That's the name right there. Go ahead and save this. You could use it at a later time. And if I hit execute, it's going to throw the error that tells me that I've already done this. But for you, it will say commands completed successfully. Alright? Now that we've done that, we don't need that anymore. Now I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing, but we're going to be creating a partitioning scheme with T-SQL. Alright, new query. Type this code into your query editor, execute, same shtick as before. Commands completed successfully, and now you've successfully created a partitioning scheme using T-SQL. So, thanks for watching this tutorial. Again, I'm just covering the hows from now on. If you want to know the whys, if you want to know more about this, leave me a comment or a question, and I'll do my very best to get back to you with the answer. See you in the 23rd tutorial.